In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Windows 10 PC health. Checking the health of your computer regularly can help you keep your system running smoothly and ensure that you're aware of any potential issues before they become major problems. Now, let's dive into the steps to quickly assess the health of your Windows 10 machine. First, let's start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. You know that symbol, the one that looks like a little flag, and is usually located at the bottom left of your keyboard. Go ahead and give that a tap. This is your gateway to accessing various features on your PC, including the health check function. It's always helpful to keep in mind that the Windows key can be your best friend, giving you quick access to tools and applications on your system. Now, once you've hit the Windows key, simply type the word health into the search bar that appears. Windows has this handy search feature that quickly pulls up relevant applications, making it easy to find what you're looking for without having to dig through menus. Typing health is like pulling a keyword from Windows' internal encyclopedia on your computer's well-being. After that, you should see an option pop up that says Device Performance and Health. This is your destination. Click on it. This tool is part of the Windows Security Suite, and it's designed to give you a snapshot of your PC's current state. It's a smart idea to get familiar with this tool, as it can provide insights into how certain functions and features of your computer are performing. Once you open Device Performance and Health, you'll be greeted with a report on various aspects of your system. Here, you'll see sections that cover different components of your PC's health, such as the overall performance, storage capacity, device drivers, and software updates. This report is a straightforward way to understand if everything is running as it should. If there are any issues, Windows will typically provide recommendations or warnings. It's a good idea to pay attention to these, as they can guide you through troubleshooting steps or suggest necessary updates. Remember, a little preventive maintenance now can save you from bigger hassles down the line. Maintaining your computer's health is like a routine checkup, keeping things in tip-top shape and extending the life of your device. Don't be afraid to explore other areas of the Windows security feature as well, as it offers a wealth of tools to help keep your computer secure and performing at its best. That's it, with just a few clicks you've checked the health status of your Windows 10 PC. Make it a habit to do this regularly, and you'll be ensuring that your PC remains a powerful, efficient tool for all your daily needs. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.